Qingdao, Amed, Commercial Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of beer dispensers, kitchen cooler, supermarket refrigeration equipments, low-temperature freezers, display freezers. In last 10 years, Amed continued to research on the commercial refrigeration technology and designed a lot of unique aesthetic products for customer. As an important player of commercial refrigeration products, Amed drafted China Group standard for commercial freezer preservation, and some products also get high-temperature environment excellent product certification from CVC. It's selling well in all cities around China. In addition, Amed have obtained CE, ETL, MEPS, SABER certificates. The products are also exported to clients in such regions as America, Europe, Oceania, Asia, and Africa. Amed's overseas business income accounts for more than 60%. Amed also welcome OEM, ODM orders. The company has rich experienced structural engineers, electrical engineers, and refrigeration system engineers, as well as a complete development laboratory and test line, so that it has the capability to develop types products well. Dedicated to Amed company's strict quality control and thoughtful customer service system, we experienced staff members are always fully satisfy customer requirement. Whether you are a global organization looking for a complete range products or a shop owner seeking a unique aesthetic refrigeration products, our specialized team can customize products to suit your exacting requirements.